Hi, we are from Group G. We present for Lab 4 electrical wiring installation for electrical supply system belong to UTH meter to consumer control unit DP. So this is my group member Jemwelun Yvonne UTHM and my name is Parnansha Binti Hassan CE180071. So this is my house plan which is have lighting and fan. So refer to this table. So note 1 and note 2 refer to living room which is have one light and one fan. So note 3 and note 4 refer to dining room which is have one light and one fan. So for note 5 refer to bedroom 1 so that have one fan and one light. So note 6 refer to toilet, one light and kitchens and car porch. Also the stove have one light also. So this is single line diagram for the electrical supply system in my house. So from this supplies to connect to the meter and main switch. So direct to RCD double pole. So and connect to the fuse that contain load for node 1 until node 9. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Good day to my lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Yvonne Vincent. Today I'm going to explain about the house plans at my house. And this is the NCB at my house distribution board. And the NCB number 1 is connected to the car porch, which will control the one fan and one light. Number 2 is control the fans and lights at bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. The third one is control bedroom 3 and also the bathroom, which is one fan and two lights. Then fourth one is control at the living rooms and also dining area. There are two fans and also two lights. The number 5 is bedroom 4. It will control the one fan and one light. The sixth one is the kitchen. It will control the two lights and also one fence. Next is this is the single line electrical wiring at the distribution board from the meter to the main switch, then connected to the double pole RCD. It will control and connected to the fuse first, which is 15 ampere, then to the load, which is the MCB number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also here connected to another RCD double pole and connected to the fuse and also connected to the MCB lot, which is number 7 and 8. It will connected to the socket.
This is the NCB unit in my house. This fuse will control the light at living room. When I turn off, the light will turn off. When I turn on, the light will turn on.
Good day everyone, my name is Cheng Willen. This is my house plan and this is the list of the MCB that control to the light and fan in my house. And the first MCB is to control the light in the living room with these three light. And the second is to control the fan. Third one is from the bedroom 1, the light. And the fourth one is the fan. The fifth is the fan and light in bedroom 2. And the sixth is the fan and light in the bedroom 3. And the 7 is the 3 light in the kitchen. And the number 8 is the fan in the kitchen also. And lastly is the light in bathroom and toilet. So this is the single line power supply circuit. So here is the power supply from the TMP, and it will go through our meter and to the main switch and to the RCD double pole, and lastly to the fuse of each load, which is the load such as light, fan, and others, and so on. Before testing the MCB, I will test the light first. the light is working as usual. So this one is the MCB to control the light.
So I will answer for question 5.1. Discuss the purpose grounding in electrical wiring installation. So the answer is the purpose of grounding in electrical wiring installation is to carry electrical current only under short circuit or other condition that could be potentially dangerous. Grounding wires serve an alternate path for the current to flow back to the source rather than go through anyone touching a dangerous appliance or electrical box.
Next, I will explain about the question. The question number 2, name 2 types of conduits that commonly used in electrical wiring. The first type is rigid metal conduits. This is the diagram of the rigid metal that conduits. It is a thick treated tubing usually made of coated steel, though it may be also aluminum. It is normally used for high standard building because it is height resistant from mechanical impact. It can make the wiring long lasting. The next type is electrical non-metallic tubing, ENT. It is a flexible corrugated plastic tubing that is moisture resistant and flame retardant. It is easy to bend and install with snap lock or glue plastic fitting. That's all from me. Thank you.